So if you don't already know or haven't already guessed, I moved back home. So I'm just trying to get everything set up again in my room how I want it so I can actually be productive and get back on track with my goals, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. But it's okay. She still plays music, so I guess she's just a little speaker for now. A very expensive speaker. I thought I'd go to a dance class, and here's my fit. Alexa gave me this top, and it's honestly so cute. I put a sports bra with it, my little cancer necklace I always wear, and then some sweats, and then I have on some white high top sneakers. But honestly, I am fully gonna embrace being extra as fuck everywhere I go, because that's just me, you know, and there's no shame in liking to dress up for the simplest things because I have so much clothes. So I'm gonna go out there and dress however the fuck I'm gonna dress and show up as who I want to be that day. You feel? But I'm ready to get grooving. I feel so good. The freaking high that I get after a dance class is unbeatable. I swear to God, I was meant to be a performer in this lifetime. Like, there's no shame in that. I like being in the spotlight. So, but that dance was so fast, and I'm a sucker for high energy dances because I have so much energy stored in my body. I swear to God, if anyone knows me, like for real, you know that I am so hyper. I am so like everywhere, and I'm gonna let that out somehow. This is my first attempt at actually creating something out of yarn, and I really don't know why I think making a skirt as my first project was a good idea. I really have worked on this thing for about 4 or 5 hours so far, like in total, and I feel like I've made no progress. It's fine. Everything is fine. The best cream cheese ever. Honestly, I feel like I've been hurting and like healing all at the same time. Sometimes it feels like it's just like, oh, like I'm hurting, I'm healing, I'm hurting, I'm healing, and then it's back and forth. And I know it's just part of the process, but and I can see myself making progress every day, and I just have to take it every day one by one. It's not been an easy thing, but I can't thank my coworkers and managers enough. It is crazy how when you're actually vulnerable with people, when you share them what's going on in their life, some people do have like prior knowledge of like going through similar experiences, and hearing someone give advice from a similar experience on the other end has helped me like really process and understand everything better. You know, it's not personal, but right now all I can do is just focus on me, on my healing journey, and my passions and hobbies that I want to pursue, because I have the time for that right now. But yeah, I've been in a state of like deep reflection, I would say, for the past like 3 weeks. I guess that's just a season of my life right now, and that is okay. Finished my shift today. It was very uneventful.